Meaning of dysphoria.
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 Dysphoria. Dysphoria is a state of unease or dissatisfaction with one's life, body, or surroundings. It is often described as the opposite of euphoria, which is a state of intense happiness and well-being. People experiencing dysphoria may feel anxious, restless, sad, or irritable. They may also have trouble sleeping, concentrating, or making decisions. Dysphoria can be caused by a variety of factors, including mental health conditions such as depression or anxiety, physical illnesses, hormonal imbalances, or stress. Effective treatment typically involves addressing the underlying cause and may include therapy, medication, or lifestyle changes.